Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 1700BH. New 2022 Winnebago Micro Mini 1700BH. This, a compact camper without the compromise. The Micro Mini is just 7 wide, but with big features and spacious floor plans, you can have it all. Our 2022 Micro Mini 1700BH is finished in brilliant silver with crosshatch interior colorway. Options include 190W solar panel and charge controller, 12V holding tank heat pads, power stabilizer jacks, and Goodyear tires. MSRP on this coach is $38,515. UVW is 3,312 pounds with a GVW of 4,200 pounds. See all photos of this and other RVs and vehicles at www.gertonautosols.com. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee extra.